2005 Suzuki XL7 LED upgrade or replacement. Your headlight is located here. The bulb is inside here. What you're gonna need to do is remove this gently. And then inside there's this thing here. I don't know what you call it. You're gonna have to remove that. It's like a clamp. When you remove it, it's like the light is freeing up. And then you kind of push it all the way back. And then all the way so by pushing it all the way back, you will be able to get the bulb out. Now with the new bulb, the LED, you will place it directly over here. But first you'll have to remove this, kind of twist it front like this, and then I will allow you to front, and then you can do this. When you do this, you're gonna go inside this plastic thing here. You're gonna put your LED inside. Now you pull it all the way up. So you plug this like this. So I'm filming and doing that at the same time, so forgive me. So squeeze that in, and then you go here back, you put your headlight. There's a way to put it where it'll sit. When it sits, you will know and you will feel it, and then that's where the tricky part comes in. The tricky part is this clamp here has to go all the way around to here to sit under a little hook, and then that is exactly what's gonna hold your light in place. So when you pull the clamp, a little clamp here, silver, all the way across, so this rubber will kind of make you struggle, but it's a rubber, so kind of squeeze it aside and then hook your clamp down here. I don't know if you can see, hook it down here, and then the other side will be fine because it's gonna slide in place by itself once you move this side here. And then when you check your light, you will see that it is steady. Then you can just put this rubber back into place, and then this is pretty much how you upgrade to LED. Or if you just want to replace an LED that you had, this is how you do it. It's pretty much easy. It's just the hard part is removing that silver clamp, silver thing that's holding the light. and then putting it back. That's the only hard part, and then you should be good to go.